Swingline Speed Pro 25 electric stapler. Here's an electric stapler that's 3 times faster than a typical electric stapler. It can staple up to 25 sheets when you use Swingline standard 1/4 inch or SF4 staples. It operates jam-free so that your stapling productivity maintains consistency. It's fast, simple, and powerful. This low staple indicator helps you to anticipate the need to reload. And this stapler also features quick load. The staple magazine ejects from the front of the stapler with just the touch of a button and lets you get back to work quickly. The compact design will fit neatly on your desktop, while the suction cup base keeps the stapler firmly in place during use. It also comes with a limited 7-year warranty. Order your Swingline Speed Pro 25 electric stapler today.